How to send photos as snaps. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to send photos as snaps. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have updated your Snapchat app, simply open it and then go to the filters button right here or the effects button, since we will be using a filter or effect called upload. So click on it and then swipe up and simply search for the filter called upload. So I would recommend you to use the upload filter by Munir Haskell. So it has been proven or it has been very useful when it comes to sending photos as snaps. So click on that filter and then choose the photo that you want. So you may add a photo by clicking on this plus button right here or choose the photo right here. So now take a screenshot or a capture of that photo, and then, as you can see, it has or it looks like a snap right here. So now you may click on send to found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then you may choose the participant or the recipient of your photo that has been sent as snap. So choose your recipient and then send it. And as you can see now, it will look like a normal snap. So let's just send it first. And then you should try it out with your second account, for example. And then as you can see, it has been delivered with this red icon, which indicates that it is a snap. So that's it. That's how you can send photos as snaps. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.